Let's do DJI Neo2 unboxing. Small tiny drone for beginners, but very capable. Very light, 150 grams only. Let's open it. This is a Fly More combo, which comes with a lot of additional accessories. First thing first, the drone. Feels sturdy. Comes with transceiver to be used with RC controller. This is the RC controller. Also has cables to connect to mobile. Extra pair of propellers and a screwdriver. A charging hub and charging cable. Addition cable for Apple devices. That's all. Thanks for watching.